Instagram technical error. What happened and how it affected users. In the ever-evolving world of social media, where billions of people connect and share their lives, technical glitches are an unfortunate reality. Recently, Instagram, one of the most popular social media platforms, experienced a widespread technical error that left millions of users perplexed and frustrated. In this video, we'll dive into what exactly happened, the impact it had on users, and how Instagram addressed the situation. Imagine logging into your Instagram account, eager to engage with friends and followers, only to be met with an unexpected error message. That's precisely what transpired when Instagram encountered a technical glitch that disrupted its normal operations. Users across the globe reported encountering error messages, inability to upload or view posts, and difficulties accessing their accounts. The sudden and widespread technical error left Instagram users perplexed and frustrated. Many individuals heavily rely on Instagram for personal and professional purposes, making the disruption particularly inconvenient. Unable to share moments, connect with their communities, or access important information, users were left feeling disconnected and let down. Recognizing the severity of the situation, Instagram swiftly responded to the technical error. The platform promptly issued an apology message acknowledging the inconvenience caused to users. They assured their users that their technical team was working diligently to resolve the issue as quickly as possible. Behind the scenes, Instagram technical team worked tirelessly to identify and rectify the underlying problem. They rolled out updates and patches to mitigate the issue and restore normal functionality. Over time, users began to experience relief as they regained access to their accounts and could once again interact with their followers and the broader Instagram community. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.